Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Erin, and for me, makeup is no limited. What's up, guys? So today is a challenge and a test video because I wanna use as less as possible product to create a daily natural look. Recently, I've been interested in Tom Ford. Let me see how it's called. The Tom Ford traceless soft matte foundation, but I don't have content to try to see the shades, so I bought this to try out. Well, I really don't want people want my face to look like this, but I don't have video to post this week, so I have to film something. And yeah, I know nobody cares if I post a new video, but I take this very seriously, so it's my, because the breakout, I got a lot of spots on my face. So I hope this foundation would be full coverage, so that I wouldn't use too much concealer. 4 shades in here, and I know this one definitely not suited for me because it's pink tone. So I'm gonna try this 3 shades, and it's called Warm Set, Fawn, Fawn. This one is Warm Set, Fawn. I'm gonna use the Fawn. I really don't know how to pronounce it. It's a Japanese brand. Oh, by the way, I've used the SPF already. This is not that full coverage than I thought, but it's definitely high coverage foundation. Yeah, I'm doing 1 layer to see how the coverage is. Yeah, you can build up the coverage. So I'm not gonna use concealer today because I have 2 light shades foundation, so I'm gonna use it for concealer. This shade is Warm Sand. Right now I like this foundation because it's high coverage, but it looks not that cakey or heavy. It looks very natural as a high coverage foundation. So I'm pretty happy with it right now. Right now it looks like I already put pot on my face. It feels a little bit tacky, just a little bit. I'm going to use this Gel Sculpt. I'm not going to use eyeshadow today, I'll just use this eyeshadow. Yeah. Okay, use a sponge to blend it. I'm gonna use a lipstick for my blush. Yeah. It's the Nars. I don't know how to pronounce it. You can see that. Setting time. I'm going to use this powder from Ciate. Extraordinary translucent powder. For eyebrow, I'm going to use this Green Eyebrow Pencil. I'm going to use this as an eyeliner. For the highlight, I'm using the Becca Opal. Yeah, this is today's makeup. Right now it's 9:12 in the morning, and I will check this at 12 or 30 to see how it looks. Yeah, see you later. Hello, I'm back. It's 12:15 right now, so let's check this foundation. And as you can see, just a little bit shiny around here. That's normal for me, and nothing special. The oil control is not bad, but it's also not very strong. Yeah, this is the first check, and I feel like it oxidized a little bit, just a little bit. And the final check will be 5 p.m. I'm back. It's 5 p.m. and I could tell right now I really don't like this foundation. Yeah, I don't know if you guys can see here and here. There's no coverage on this place. The foundation just disappear. I don't know where they go, but it looks like the foundation melts and evaporates. Only air. I can't see them. And you can see all the dark spots, acne on my face. You guys may remember what it looked like at the first I applied it on my face. It's definitely high coverage foundation, but right now the coverage is gone. I'm so glad I bought this mini package, so I could save a lot of money for me. You know, if I buy this on online shop, I need to pay 1,700 yuan, almost $100, and that's a big money for me. I really got high expectation on this. It's definitely a big fuel for this test. Okay, this is today's video, and thanks for watching. I really appreciate you taking your time to watch my video, and I hope that helpful. And if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Thank you. See you next time.